What's up guys, welcome back to another video on the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to build your racetrack. So let's get into it. I already bring my Unity up, so let's go hit our project, and once you're in here, we just want to go into right here. I was making this before, don't worry about it, just think that this wasn't here. This is going to be part of our thing. Don't worry, I'm going to be deleting this after, so don't worry about this. I was just testing this before, so yeah. But the first thing we're going to do right now is we're going to make a quick barrier. So wait, let me just zoom out a bit. Okay. Alright, now, okay. So we're going to make a barrier so this horizon line won't be able to be seen. So let's just make that now. Just like make sure it's a bit tall as well. Not that tall, but make sure it's a tiny bit tall like this, so you can't see it at all because it's going to be a barrier. We will be deleting these after, so don't worry. Make sure they can't see anything. So wait, when you start your game now, all you see is a huge wall, I guess. I don't know what you should call it, but all you can see is a huge wall. So yeah, you can't even, well, you can drive on it, but sometimes it'll glitch out like this, and you can probably see inside it. Yep, there you go. You can see inside, but at least you can't go through it, so that's good. So now we have a huge barrier that's like this. So make sure to just make your barrier first, like me, and then once you did that, we're gonna move on to the next step. The next step will be wait, let's just make a barrier for every single place like this. It doesn't have to be perfect, don't worry. I'm not even good at this myself. We're gonna be making legit barriers in like a couple videos from now on, so don't worry about that. Just make a couple barriers like me. There we go. Doesn't have to be perfect. Doesn't even have to be tall as well. Okay, sure, I don't care. But yeah. Yeah, okay, now the lag is coming in. All good, don't worry. Okay, now it should be fine. Alright, this is the barriers I have. Okay, these are the barriers. It looks pretty good actually. I'm actually happy with these barriers. They look like little mountains, so if I start my game now, they look like little mountains that have been here. Looks pretty good. Yeah. So now there's no way I can escape from my map now. So I can just run everywhere and stuff. This place I can't escape either. I might glitch through like that. My camera might glitch through, but that's the only thing, and we can't go through it anyway. We're gonna be adding real barriers, so it's all good. But now, since we added barriers, we're gonna start making our racetrack. Since now we have all of this space, I might start making like a lake over in this square, and then drive around here, back to here. I don't know. Experiment with your racetrack. I will be back when I finish my racetrack, so just do your racetrack right here, and I will be back soon, guys. So, see you all in an hour. No, I'm just joking. See you all in probably like 5 minutes. Well, you guys aren't going to stay there for 5 minutes. I'm going to go do this for 5 minutes, and I'll be back. So, yeah. Alright guys, so I have finished my racetrack. It looks like a mess right now, but if I run my game, let's just run our game, and I'll do the racetrack for you guys. So this is where you start, where the poles are. I'll change this around, don't worry. But where the poles are, you gotta start, and we're stuck. Let's go. Alright, let's just reset the game right now. Okay, so where the poles are, we gotta start there. So, why do I keep getting stuck? So annoying. 1 second. Let me just keep restarting till I don't get stuck one day. Alright, so. Uh-oh, don't go too fast. That car's way too fast. But, come on. Alright, I'll just start from here. This isn't our racetrack fully, but this is the start of mine. So, you go through this. I'm really bad at driving it right now, but this is the part where I'm good at it. So this is where it gets super fast. Now you gotta slow down, turn through this little area. I will be putting arrows around my thing, around my racetrack, so don't worry. We will be putting arrows and stuff everywhere, so don't worry. People will know where to go. And this is where the bumpy part comes. So we're just gonna go through that. And if you have enough boost, you're gonna be able to go through that mountain and have a head start to the finish line. But if you don't, just go through here. Then you gotta go through this bump, and you'll sort of jump you. And then now you gotta turn into here. Then that is one full lap right there. That is one full lap finished. So that is my racetrack right now. I might be adding some different stuff, but make sure your racetrack looks similar to mine, not like exactly similar, but it looks like a racetrack, not a big mess like mine. Make sure yours looks like a racetrack, not a big mess like mine. But yeah, that is my racetrack for now. I'm just gonna save my game right here, because I'm pretty happy with this right now. So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure to share this video if you learned something in today's video. But I'll see you all in the next one. Peace out.